Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about painting your floral foam. I know, it sounds odd, doesn't it? But if you have painted foam, maybe you're doing a baby's breath orb, it just disappears. The technique to do it well. Soak the foam prior to painting. Yes, you're going to soak it in water with the flower food pre-mixed, get it totally saturated, and then paint it with your Design Master paints. Second, do it in multiple layers. This is just one layer, so you can see it's still peeking through. This is 2 layers, and this is 3 layers. So more layers of paint will get you greater color saturation. But always paint on the wet foam. I know that sounds weird, doesn't it? But it's true. On the wet foam, whatever color. I used white for this demonstration, but it could be gold, it could be blue, it could be red. Doesn't matter. Soak your foam with flower food, have it totally saturated, paint it in multiple layers, and then you can put your flowers in and the foam just disappears. Now you know how the pros do it.